This next clip shows one of the most shocking pieces of driving I've ever witnessed. It happened on Meanwood Road in Leeds, at the junction with Meanwood Road. Before we roll the footage, it's important to point out that there is no right turn from Meanwood Road onto Meanwood Road. But as you're about to see, the driver of a blue Vauxhall Mocha comes up with a truly dangerous and unbelievable way to get around that restriction. Absolutely unbelievable. From the rear camera, it's clear the driver intended to turn right and was willing to put pedestrians and cyclists at risk by driving across the corner where no one would ever expect a vehicle to appear. If you were a pedestrian or cyclist here, this could have ended very differently.